Hello, Assalamualaikum. So this is the first video on gas chromatography topic. Okay, so gas chromatography has been in discussion last semester in instrumental analysis subject. Okay, so as I mentioned in the early semester, I said that we will go through rather quickly on GC because we want to spend a lot of time on the application by doing case study learning. Also, we can do problem-based learning. Okay, this type of learning will help you understand better on how and why this instrument is used largely in industry. Okay, what GC topic will cover is that if you see from these slides, you will see some fundamental parts and then on what is the components in GC and then application, right? But application is only a bit, only few of the application. So I will speed up the parts of GC by showing you guys the video made by my students last semester and few semesters before on the A to Z of the parts in GC. Okay, so you will see a third-party video uploaded into my YouTube and you can watch from there. So this part over here will be covered by the video from the third party, and I will introduce GC a bit. Okay, so GC falls into the category of gas over here because of the usage of gas as the mobile phase, and we have gas liquid or gas solid. So gas solid is whereby the type of column is packed column, while liquid is the type of column is the W chord or the P chord, the wall coated open tubular or the porous coating open tubular. So this fall under the category of GLC. This is the most popular right now, the one that you saw in Miss Fariza's lab during your lab time with GC. We don't have this anymore in the lab because we don't maintain the solid phase pack column. Okay, so the schematic diagram of this GC is like this. Okay, so you have the column at the heart of the instrument. This is where the stationary phase, this is the one. You can see this is the capillary column. Usually this is the wall coated W chord. Okay, so this is the injector. So you still remember that the injector have to maintain certain temperature, but it's still lower temperature than here, so that just enough to volatilize the analyte and go inside the column. So what is this? So this is your gas supply as your mobile phase. What type of the gas usually used is helium. Okay, you can use hydrogen, but it's quite dangerous lah. Okay, and then you have the detector lah. What kind of detector you learned before? So you learn about FID, flame ionization detector. Then you learn about MS. And then you learn about TCD. Okay, what else? You have ECD. Okay, we don't have UV, okay, in GC. GC don't have UV, GC don't have fluorescence because it's already in gas state. Okay, so in gas chromatography, the force that increase the solubility of the analyte on the stationary phase is depending on the vapor pressure. Okay, when we are talking about vapor pressure in equilibrium, we are using the Roots law. Once again, just like distillation. So this again, same. Okay, this is the common GC instrument. This is Agilent. This is the manual injection. Okay, the manual injection by using syringe. But in industry, most of them are using auto sampler already. Okay, auto sampler. So this manual injection have its drawback as well lah, because it depending on your mechanical of your hand. So if let's say the injection is not repetitive or not reproducible, your analyte will be having problem as well. Okay, so this part over here until the end of the instrumentation in GC will be shown to you guys in terms of my students video as part of the assignment last time, and you can see please take note on the parts that mentioned in the videos. Okay.